So to fasten off our project, we leave about a good 15 centimeters of yarn and we cut it right there. And the working yarn we can put back, and this you just pull up the yarn just like that, and it's secured. But you don't want to have a bookmark with just some loose ends. So we grab our darn needle, tapestry needle, yarn needle, the needle with the smooth end. We put our yarn in and we stitch it away in the back of our work. The front of our work you can see, because on the front of our work you can see the V's of your work. When you hold the back you can't see the V's. You have to kind of swap over to see them. So if you hold your work in front of you and you can see the V's, that means you're on the right side of your work. If you turn around on the bad side of your work, or they call it the wrong side of your work, you can't see the V's on top, but you can see little line of stitches. So we go to the right side, but we don't want to have the yarn weaved in on the right side of your work, so we turn it, and then you will see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 V's, and you put in your needle under this, and you come up on one point. Don't pull it too tight, otherwise your corner will look a bit weird. And then you skip this one, otherwise you go same way back and then it doesn't work. You go to the next one, you put it back under there. Again, don't pull it too tight or you make holes in your work. And again, skip this loop, start here, and we'll go one more time back. So we went forwards, backwards and forwards, or back and forth. Voila! And then we only have to do this little cut. And we weaved in our yarn.